What is up, YouTube? Good morning? Yeah, it's 11:43. Good morning, you guys. It's your boy Alex Row Media here. And I just want to give you guys a little update. You know, nothing crazy going on today. It's a nice Sunday morning. But I do want to say I purchased a couple of modifications to the car. I want to let you guys know I bought a performance exhaust, catback exhaust, off of Magnaflow like about a week and a half ago. I met up with this guy at a custom shop, and they said that they'll order it for me, no problem, and that they will install it for me, no problem. My other thing is that I wanted a downpipe as well, so I went off and got a downpipe off I forgot the name of the website, but I'll leave it in the description when I remember. I got a downpipe catless as well, so you already know where I'm going with this. This thing is gonna be obnoxiously loud, like crazy. So it's gonna be loud, and hopefully we could get some performance out of it. And I also went ahead and went on 500 Madness, and this came not too long ago. I just wanted to open it up just to see if it was the correct part I ordered. Yeah, so let me show you guys that. So I bought a part off of 500 Madness, and I got myself a lightweight pulley. Yeah, I got myself a lightweight pulley for the car. And the shop also said that if I have any, you know, other modifications, that they would be gladly to work on my car. So I went ahead and bought this pulley and the downpipe, and they said perfect, they'll be able to install it. So I don't understand how I purchased the downpipe first, like 2-3 days before I actually purchased the pulley, and the pulley came first. But yeah, I was having some difficulties with them, I guess. They took forever to kind of send it out. It was processing for like 4 days, and they eventually shipped it out, and I wanted it to be here before the date I take it to the shop. So now I'm gonna probably have to make another appointment to see if they can install the downpipe for me. But yeah, with all that being said, I went on and opened it up. Not fully, just wanted to see if it was the exact part. And you guys ready for this? Bam! So yeah, guys, I ordered this lightweight pulley off of 500 Madness. There you go. And it's pretty light, to be honest. Just made a huge mess in my car. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. This is the lightweight pulley I ordered. It's really nice. I like the color, to be honest. But yeah, with all that being said, I have the appointment tomorrow. Thank God I'm off. Plan on waking up early, heading to the gym, taking my car there, and I'm gonna try to record as much as possible. I'm gonna see if they actually let me record. I'm gonna ask them. If not, which is gonna be a bummer, but if not, I'm just gonna go on ahead and give you guys a before and after. You know, exhaust clip, and hopefully my downpipe could get here quick enough so that I could make another schedule with them and have them install it. Only reason why I can't really install it is, one, because I don't really have space out here in the street, and two, I don't have all the tools I need to get this install done, so I need help from a shop. And trust me, I've never worked on anything with exhaust and none of that stuff. I never have, but I could always learn, you know? It's not a big deal. So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update on that. You know I haven't posted, but yeah, guys, it's been snowing a lot lately. Yesterday night, I had to stay at work overnight, so I couldn't make a video on that. Tonight, Sunday night, even though it looks beautiful out, they're saying that it might snow. It might snow from like 6 in the afternoon all the way to like 5 in the morning. So once again, I might be stuck at work. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on what I plan on doing. So I got the pulley, I got the exhaust cap back from Magnaflow Sports Series, and I got the downpipe catless for the Fiat Abarth 500. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is gonna be, it was just a little clip just to keep you guys updated. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you guys are new to the channel and you guys are checking it out, first of all, I hope you guys like it. Second of all, subscribe to the channel. Help me out. You guys help me out a lot. Also, if you like this small little clip, give this a thumbs up. And also, click that notification bell down below just to keep yourself updated with my videos whenever I post. I promise you I'm gonna try to post as much as I can. Right now it's a bit difficult, but come the springtime and summertime, I'm gonna be outside in the car always trying to do some type of mods. And I got something coming future wise, something pretty big, not necessarily on the car, but something pretty big. So I hope you guys stay tuned to that. Also guys, if you already haven't, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Alex Rowe Media, and you know, show some love. Always guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be gladly to answer. And yeah, comment down below any questions you guys got, anything you guys want to see on the car, or anything you guys have to comment about on the car, or whatever it is. I'll always be there to answer you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching once again. But yeah, support the channel guys. Thank you guys, appreciate it so much, appreciate it a million. See ya, peace.